Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're gonna have some fun because I have some of my favorite picks from some of my favorite brands. If you're new, I'm Laura. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And let's have some fun today. Let's start with what I have on right now. So, Sanctuary did a collab with the Peanuts gang, and I am here for it. I'm here for it. I love Snoopy. I love Peanuts. I love Woodstock. And I had so much fun checking out all the pieces. I think they have about a dozen items for sale right now. I do think they're limited edition, so please go grab them if you want to, and I'll link to the items down below as well as to the collection. It is fabulous. So for all those Snoopy fans out there, I thought I would start with this one. So this jacket is, what is it called? I'm going to call it a barn jacket. They're calling it just the Save Our Planet jacket. I love this one because of all the amazing embroidery. So check out Woodstock peeking out here with the flower out of the pocket. It has the Sanctuary and Peanuts logo here, or stitching. And on this side, no stitching. But wait till you see the back. It has a corduroy collar. It has button front. It's a little oversized on me. I'm wearing an extra small. Check out the back. I love it. Let me know what you think. I could cuff the sleeve, but I was like, didn't want to hide the Sanctuary and Peanut logo. So you can also just pull it up if you want to. And I paired it with a cute little tee. So this is just a basic tee. They have some sweatshirts. They have little bomber jackets. So fun. But I enjoyed this one. Look how cute it is. Love all the Woodstocks, right? Just a basic tee. You could always, if you're gonna not put a layer on it, you could cuff the little sleeve here a little bit, which I always enjoy if I'm wearing it solo. You can see the difference. I think it looks better. My jeans are just jeans from my closet. They're from AG. I got them during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. You'll probably see them for some of these items I'm going to be sharing. All right, so for these items, they are limited edition. They are not cheap. The Sanctuary and Peanuts anniversary, 75th anniversary Save Our Planet jacket is $189. So this would be a great Christmas gift for anyone who loves the Peanuts gang, as well as just a t-shirt. They have really cute, like the Doctor is in tee. That's adorable. They also have Peppermint Patty chasing Charlie Brown saying, we women aren't going to keep quiet anymore, Chuck. No, sir. So just adorable pieces. They have a varsity jacket. They have a varsity sweater. They have a button-down oversized shirt. So lots of fun pieces. The t-shirt is called the 75th Anniversary Marching Tee, and it was $69. You can get 10% off their site. I would also, look to see as we get into the sales here for the holidays, they might have a sale on them. Let me know what you think. Next up, all right, now I switch to White House Black Market. I love this jacket so much, and this beautiful like oxblood dark red color. So pretty. This is gorgeous. It is cropped. It buttons down the front. It's roomy. The little pocket here, it is so adorable. It's paired it with one of the form tanks. This is one with the scoop on one side, the V on the other, so you can switch it. Love this. It feels so soft and comfy on. You can move in it. It is just perfection. I love everything about it. Again, paired back to jeans. You could wear this with a skirt. You could wear this for the holidays. It would be gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This one is in a little bit more subdued color, so perfect for the office as well. This jacket, $190, and the tank, $45. However, White House Black Market is having amazing sales. I got everything 30% off, plus I had my own rewards, so it was definitely worth the experience to be able to try this on today, and I think I'm going to be able to keep it. Remember, I save everything for you, so I'm seeing it with you guys, and I absolutely am in love with it. Next up, everyone who has spent some time with me knows I love a great blazer, and White House Black Market has amazing blazers. I was looking for a camel one and found this one. I love this. It has the little side slash pockets. It is so well made, fully lined, just like the jacket. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this jacket was fully lined as well. Just such a nice fit, gives you some shape. It has the one button styling. So cute. Has the little vent in the back. This will dress up any outfit, perfect for in the office. Goes really nicely with the tank as well. Now's the time to shop. If you are looking for those amazing deals, there are so many out there. For this one, it was $200 regular. I got it for $98.18. For the red, I paid $93.31 for this. And the little tank I got for $22. So again, between using the discounts as well as your rewards, you can get some really, really great deals. Let's keep going. Now we're going to switch to a couple of items from Cut from the Cloth, who's also had amazing sales. As I'm filming this, 25% off everything site-wide. And of course, I had to check it out. So I picked two items from Cut from the Cloth. This adorable little sweater jacket. How fun is this? It is very comfy. Has a little pocket here at the top. Just a cardigan style jacket. Love this. You can even cuff the sleeve if it's too long. So I think that also looks really nice. Has the little buttons. You can leave it partially open, partially closed. I love that look as well. Just a really great cozy to elevate an outfit. It's fabulous. I wish you guys could feel it. Sweater material, just amazing on. Paired it just with a black tank and jeans. Would look super cute with black pants, or you could be really snazzy and pair it with a colored denim like a red or a burgundy. Or even a coated denim would be nice in a color as well. So cute. All right, so this one is the Ava sweater jacket. I'm wearing an extra small, $99 is the regular price, and I got 25% off of that. I have one more, as I said, from Cut from the Cloth. This one is so pretty. Similar to the White House Black Market jacket, but shiny and a little brighter. So check out this jacket. Here it is compared to this one. So one's like the oxblood. One is this really nice, shiny burgundy. Yeah, we'll just go with a wine or burgundy color. This is so nice, all right? So it's got the fun gold hardware as well. So it's gonna be a little bit more of a standout, perfect for the holidays. Has little flat pockets here. It is fully lined. So adorable. Loving all the gold hardware. You could probably, I think I'm wearing an extra small. I have stuff everywhere here. Yeah, I'm wearing an extra small. The color is Bordeaux. It's called the Bomber Coated Jacket. $119 right now. And as I said, I got 25% off that price. You could easily move these sleeves up. You could probably even cuff it if you wanted. If you wanted to, you could do it. Otherwise, you can just push them up or just leave them down, whatever your preference is. I tend to push mine up. A little bit longer than the crop version I showed you from White House Black Market. This one comes to the hip. I'm loving the shiny factor of this one. It feels so nice on as well. It feels so nice on. All right, so we're going to finish with some loft items, starting with this pretty purple V-neck. I'm really enjoying this. Nice and cozy, soft. You could front tuck it or leave it out. This purple is so pretty, just to bring a little color to the cold. You can see it does have that banded bottom. I'm really enjoying this one. Just a nice pop, as I said. And then for a fun jacket to put on top of this, how about this? So this is a twofer, right? You're getting a little combo of denim and Sherpa. Look how cute this is. So sherpa on one side, denim on the other. You could cuff it or leave it down. Here's the back. How fun is this? I love it. This would look really pretty over like an all burgundy outfit or another solid color. It would be really pretty. You could also wear it with black. It would be super pretty. I love this one. It is a little bit oversized. I'm wearing an extra small. So cute. Okay, so for these, the rib trim relaxed V-neck sweater, I got it for $35.79. Such good deals at the Loft too. It is worth checking out. For this jacket, it's the coziest sherpa with stretch denim. I got it for $55.25. All right, and how about for the holiday parties? We do have to make sure that we have plenty of items to cover. So again, I think this red jacket would be perfect. I think the Bordeaux would be perfect. But this would be another awesome option. Check this out. Love the sparkle and shimmer in this, right? Little bomber jacket. This is from the Loft. It zips. Has a little elastic at the bottom. So cute. Look how cute this is. It's gorgeous. I think this one is part of the collab with Emma Roberts. It is fully lined. There's even an inside pocket. What? I love that. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This would be fun with the Bordeaux underneath it as well. So you could grab that White House Black Market tank, pop that underneath here, and that would be super pretty. Otherwise, you could go with black. Another fun thing that I grabbed, which would make a perfect gift. All these items would be good gifts as well, by the way. How about this bag? So this is a really adorable leather-like bag. It has the snap closure, little tote. It's really roomy in here. I already took off a bunch of the stuffing, but look how much room is in here. I could put one of the dogs in here, but I was also thinking that this might make a really great work bag for my laptop and all the things. It has a really wide bottom, so you're going to fit a lot down inside there. I do think it would fit a standard laptop here. So I think this would be an awesome option for every day. I'm enjoying the brown color too. So for this beautifully embellished glittery sequin jacket. Oh, I'm wearing a small petite in this because I do tend to go petites with the Loft jackets when I can. I got it for $87. And then for the eternally chic, polished, and versatile staple in this leather-like bag, I got it for $63.35. All right, we're gonna wrap with this outfit, also all from the Loft. This jacket is amazing. It is a little faux fur with the little hook and eye. It is gorgeous. It is roomy. I probably did a small petite in this one too because the sleeves aren't too long. It is so yummy good. I am in love with it. It does have liner, so it's completely lined. It's just so good. And what about these pants? Okay, so when I purchased them, I didn't realize how lacy they were. They come with a built-in bottom, but as you can see, it's not a lot, right? It's just coverage on the most important parts. So fun. I can't decide if I'm going to end up keeping these or not, but I do think they are so fun for a concert, for the holidays. They're just adorable. They're a really nice length. You can have fun with a party shoe like what I have on. An all black look is always so classic. They're touching the floor without any heel at all, but I don't need a high heel, and I am 5'5" for reference. So what fun are these, right? I love the neckline of this jacket as well. Okay, so for the faux fur jacket, I paid $72.61, and for the pants, $51.15. I think these pants will sell out really quick. I think that I may be quoting them, but I feel like the way they're made, they're not like so risque that you shouldn't wear them. Let me put it that way. But I think they're super fun. All right, that's a wrap on all my items this time. We have all the fun as we head into the holidays covered here. You know, it's jacket season for me, so I think that was what we talked about the most. But I will share all these down below. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Please do comment down below. Do you think I should add these pants to my wardrobe, and where could I wear them if I did? All right, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.